With the growing demand for efficient cooling solutions in automotive and industrial applications, radiator fans have become essential for maintaining engine performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast, mechanic, or everyday driver, choosing the right radiator fan can improve engine temperature management and longevity. This guide evaluates top radiator fans. List number 18 Performance 16-inch electric radiator cooling fan, wide S-curve, 10 blades thermostat, kit 3000 CFM, reversible push. The 18 Performance 16-inch electric radiator fan stands out with its wide S-curve 10-blade design that offers an impressive airflow of 3000 CFM. This reversible push-pull fan is engineered for efficient cooling and adaptability, making it suitable for a variety of radiator sizes. Its built-in thermostat kit ensures automatic operation, providing reliable temperature control. Constructed with durable materials, this fan promises long-lasting performance under heavy-duty conditions. Easy to install with the included wiring kit, it's ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. List number 16-inch electric radiator fan. 3000 CFM 10 blades electric fan, automotive, black with thermostat, wiring switch, relay kit. This 16-inch electric radiator fan offers a powerful 3000 CFM airflow through its 10-blade configuration, designed for optimal cooling efficiency. Featuring a sleek black finish, it integrates seamlessly with most automotive setups. The included thermostat, wiring switch, and relay kit make installation straightforward and help maintain engine temperatures by activating the fan when needed. Its robust motor ensures quiet yet effective performance, reducing engine overheating risks during demanding drives or hot weather conditions. List number 18 Performance 11001 Universal Electrical Radiator Cooling Fan, 14 inches, heavy duty, 12 volts, wide curved, 8 blades, 2400 CFM. The 18 Performance 11001 is a 14-inch, heavy-duty radiator fan tailored for universal fit applications. Its wide-curved, 8-blade design moves up to 2400 CFM of air, making it highly efficient for moderate cooling requirements. Operating at 12 volts, this fan balances power consumption and cooling performance perfectly. Its sturdy construction supports durability in harsh environments. Compact and easy to mount, it suits a variety of vehicles and offers dependable cooling for extended engine life. List more. 18 Performance Universal 16-in Electric Radiator Fan Assembly Kit. Black, 12-volt, 8-blade design, 3000 CFM. This 16-inch 18 Performance Fan Assembly Kit features a black 8-blade fan designed to push 3000 CFM airflow, ideal for universal radiator applications. Running on 12 volts, the fan provides robust cooling while maintaining energy efficiency. The kit includes everything needed for installation, making it convenient for users to upgrade or replace existing radiator fans. The fan's balanced blade design reduces noise and vibration, ensuring smooth operation even during long drives. Its durable housing and motor provide long-term reliability. List number 12-inch slim fan pull electric radiator cooling fans, 12-volt mount kit, universal black. The 12-inch slim fan pull electric radiator fan offers a compact solution for vehicles with limited space. Operating on 12 volts, this fan features a slim profile but does not compromise on performance, delivering sufficient airflow to cool your radiator efficiently. The universal mount kit allows for versatile installation across various models. Its black finish complements any engine bay, while the lightweight design reduces strain on your vehicle's electrical system. Perfect for tight engine compartments, it provides reliable cooling without bulk.